All right, working through, I don't even know what year this is.
05.
05. This is a 6.7 Dodge. We have obviously a main fuse box here, and that'll make sense here in a minute. We still have the tail light or backup light to work through. When we started this morning, we only had the right turn itself. We didn't have any ECU detected. We didn't have any auxiliary. We didn't have any gain. You know, so we were basically down to just one turn signal. And I'll show you, this runs back to the 7 blade in the back now. So we're gonna go key on. This has been the best way I've found to ever test anything like that. All right, so you can see left turn's now working. That didn't work this morning. See right turn's working. When we hit it, this simulates brakes, and then this simulates my gain. The short from the trailers had shorted out, and so I have the new trailer brake controller installed here. So that's all working. And this also allows me, and so I'm manually doing it. You can do it here. There is an inertia component of this, so as the trailer pushes more, it gives more gain to it. And then as I manipulate the gain function here, you should be able to, yeah, so I'm toning the gain down there, and you can see that, and as we gain it back up. So we have the system working the way it's supposed to with the new controller, and basically I'm just manipulating that back and forth, so all that's good. The reason I'm making all this, long story short, so we run back in here, we're hooked in, so we do need a pigtail. It's rotted off for that light, so we'll get it back working. But long story short, the trailers that this is being plugged into is blowing all the circuits. And what I believe is it's probably multiple trailers, and there's shorts on multiple different trailers. Because if we had one trailer that was shorted, I'd have one fuse blown. But as this has been hooked up, basically we have fixed the effect of the cause of the problem, but we have not got what blew all these fuses, and it's not the truck. So long story short, it's fine. We've got everything working like it's supposed to. However, when he hooks up to the next set of trailers, we're going to have the same problem. So I don't mean to make a bigger issue, but really I need the trucks and the trailers in order to work out the lighting problems, so we're not beating on the truck and, you know, overworking the brakes. I hope this makes sense. I think this pigtail here, while we're making a video on it, here's the pigtail for that light. There should be another wire hooked right there, and it is not. So this one's just about rotted off as well. So I'm going to see if I can come up with one of these and kind of go from there. But we've got this whole thing back together, working like it's supposed to. New controller in there. But we need to get into the trailer wiring in order to make sure that this does not happen in the future.